guys, so it is Saturday. Welcome to the vlog. And like usual, every Saturday morning I am headed to dance. And I just have regular classes today. No extra class. I'm so happy about that. But yeah, I get a break. I'm about to edit the video from yesterday's, and I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm home by myself. Just got back from dance. My dad went to go pick up my brother and my mom's at the store. But I'm FaceTiming with Jace, because if you just didn't see yesterday's vlog, go check it out. We were doing a video, making a video, but we finishing it today. But right now, I don't even know where she is. Like, I'm texting her because I can't find her. Jace! Jace! Like, she's not answering. Did she forget that she's on mute? I'm gonna hang up and call her back. Let's see here. I think she days. Oh man. But anyways, I'm sucking on a popsicle if I edit. Yeah. Oh my gosh, mommy. Not even mommy. Oh my gosh, guys. My braces are really bothering me. And I got a fresh new pack of wax yesterday. No, not yesterday. This week and I was actually gonna put the wax on this morning, and then I was eating, so I didn't put anything on it. And I brought the wax somewhere, but now I can't find it, and I actually can put it on. And it's like cutting my tongue, so it hurts so bad. But yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished my popsicle, and I'm gonna has a joke on it. See if you understand it. What do you get if you cross a sheep and a porcupine? Get the comment down below. Do 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 do. Time's up. If you need more time, pause the video. Okay, the answer is an animal that knits his own sweaters. Get it? Because porcupines are pokey like a needle when you sew. And then sheep have really soft wool, like if you were knitting like fabric. Tell me if you understand that. Hey guys, so sorry, that's my brother being annoying. So I'm really bored. I just got done uploading the video. So now I am making slime. So hey guys, so our parents Braylon just got here because our parents went out to eat, and not too long ago, his mom ordered us 2 Rubik's Cubes, and they're here. It was a surprise. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna open it. I'm really excited now. I need scissors. It's really hard to do. Ready? Okay, I do need scissors. Oh my, what's it called? What is it called? My slime is coming out good, guys. Yay.
Wait, let me get for you.
No, don't touch it. I still have to mix it more. Because it's like...
That's just...
Yeah, I'm going to need scissors.
Look at the scissors.
I should do like a separate video of this. That's all excited like that.
Oh gosh, it's gonna be really hard because it's styrofoam, by the way.
Huh?
It's styrofoam. So you have to go to the shop.
Oh, whatever. I don't care. I'll just cut it up.
Go like this.
I just messed it up. Is this how yours was?
Yes.
You can't even feel like the box.
Well, you can hear it shaking.
Oh yeah, you can.
And there's the box.
Were you scared at first when you first opened yours? Did you think it was fake?
Yeah.
Because it just had the sound.
Like that one video.
Yeah.
There it is.
Huh?
I'm such a...
Rubik's Cube is open. Mine's already solved.
Yeah, look.
Hold on.
Wrong way. Guess you can.
Whoa. Wait, which one do you? They're the same size, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay. All right. Guys, I solved it already just by opening it.
It's really not. And now you're messing it up, like me.
That's what I wanted to do, so I could actually solve it.
How fast can you go? Can you go this fast?
I feel like Henry now. There's this boy on our bus, and he has like a whole bunch of Rubik's Cubes that he brings like every day.
Two.
He has like 2 Rubik's Cubes. It looks like he has like 10 though. And he like can solve it like really quick. He's like, it's done. Here's dark. Yeah, he's literally like that, and then he puts it down. He's like done. I'm like, really? That'll take me like, I can't even. Oh, this is really cool. It's easy to move. All right, let's see if I can solve it.
I can't.
Oh,
I know what to do.